What's up? Welcome back to this video. I'm this guy who make videos about basic cooking and I do teach it for free. In my previous videos, I did show you how to pick a knife, study about the knife and how to hold the knife, how to cut veggies. I'm gonna show you more vegetables that I didn't cut. So if you did check my videos, you'll see that I started from the beginning and now I'm just moving on and on and on. Before I started, I appreciate if you like the video, subscribe, and comment down below whatever you want to say. Anyways, enjoy the video. Alright, so there's another cut I'm gonna show you. It's just slicing an ingredients. Usually it works in around ingredients like this, or around vegetables or any fruit. And basically we're just gonna slice it. You can stabilize an ingredients. If it's moving like this, you can cut some of it. Right, so it's not gonna roll like this. So first is, if you want to stabilize the ingredients, you can do that. Second is just like slice it like this. There you go. Next is broccoli. Broccoli is the easiest thing to cut. Alright, if you notice, you see that little stem in there? You gotta go cut there around it. I'll show you how easy it is. Alright, we're gonna start cutting those. Right, just go around, just like this. Then the goal is just to separate those little trees, or I don't know what you call them, the broccolis. Don't throw it out. You can use it in stocks or other soups, things like that. So just cut it like this. Just remember the little stem. Alright, pepper. So the last time I showed you how to cut it, but today I'm gonna show you a fancy way to cut it. Last time we cut it in half, but today I'm gonna show you a different way to cut it. So you cut both ends, then slice it in here, any side, doesn't matter. The goal is to cut those things inside in there. Look, see what I'm doing? You don't need this, and there you go. Alright, then you can slice it like this, right? Or yeah, you can dice it too. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you notice, I cut the edges of this so it's not a waste. Potato. I'm gonna show you how easy to cut it, right? What do you use this for is for fries, but you can cube it as well. Let's say you want to cut it for fries, one side, or you can cut it this way, right? Let's say for fries, right? Once you slice it like this, you can just cut it like this, right? Fries. Or you can dice it too, but it's gonna go this way. Let's say this one part, right? It's just gonna go this way and this way. Slice it or dice it. Cucumber. There's so many ways you can cut this. I'll show you two ways, right? You can slice it like the tomato slice I showed you, right? Let's say just like that for the salad. Show it to you closely. So if you want to dice a cucumber, the first step is to make it stable. Right? Cut some piece in there. Then you can just go like I showed you in potato. Right? Or you want to make it the sticks. Yeah, there's one more way I learned, but usually it's for sushi. It's where they cut the skin and they go around like this. Sadly, I'm not a professional to show that to you, so maybe next time. There's two kinds of lettuce. There's Iceberg and there's Romaine. Alright, if you notice Caesar salad, they use Romaine and Caesar. If you can remember it, just say Romaine, right? And you remember Caesar, Julius Caesar. And icebergs just for the other kind of salads, like any salads. If you're gonna cut one of this, you'll see that there's something in the bottom. What you wanna do is just smash it, then take that thing off. Take this thing off. Goes like this, and the other way. The other things you have to check too while cutting it is look for the brown stuff like this. You don't want that in your food, so you just take it away. And here you go. For salads, right? For like burger, you can just slice it in half. The romaine is really easy. All you need to do is just cut it in a bite-sized piece. If you notice the Caesar salad you're eating, you want to check how big the lettuce are. Basically, you're just gonna go like this, cut it like this, go around, cut it like this, go around again, then you can just cut it like this, right? And there you go. Caesar salad, romaine. So yeah, that's most of the vegetable we use in the kitchen or this kind of cooking, right? Usually that's most of the stuff you'll find in your refrigerator, unless you're from a different country, you have a different culture, right? That's how we do things here, and happy to share. If you have any vegetable that you want me to cut and show it to you, just ask me in the comment section and I'll help you through that. Alright, but right now I'm just showing you the basic vegetables that we cut in the kitchen, or the basic vegetable or the basic vegetable you'll encounter in the kitchen. And here you go. That's everything for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned. And yeah, my name is Jet, and bye.